Hola, it's Gabi here, and today I'm going to make a card using another long foam set stamp. Um, this is called Winter Alpaca. This is a small stamp set, super cute. I stamped it in wool felt echo color, and I started doing French knots all around the stamp. Here I make it a little bit slower the camera uh, for you to see how I do it. I just uh, go around the thread twice, and I'm going with my needle in the same place where I'll pull up, and then I get down and pull my thread while my knot is forming. For the legs of the alpaca, I just do straight stitching, also for the face and the scarf. I finished the stitching of the scarf with loose threads like the scarves normally have. I just do the knot in my thread and pull the needle and cut. I did this several times. I'm not worried that there is going to be loose in the back, because after I finish the whole alpaca I'm going to add glue for the stitching be secure. I did this in both colors, in the pink and in the light green. After I finish the scarf, I add the eye and the mouth of the alpaca. Just is the eye is another French knot, and the mouth is just a thread stitch, straight stitch. I adding the glue here, and I pressing the glue down for secure all the stitching. After the glue dries, I'm going to cut the alpaca out of the felt with a precision. I start with this scissor, but I change with a precision needle, scissor, for cut very close to the stitching. When I finish cutting my alpaca, I'm going to ensemble my card base. It's going to my card panel, sorry, is going to be this piece that is very light aquamarine. It's called Enchanted from Sisi's. I cut one piece to result the to make the alpaca look good, because I'm going to use pattern paper in the bottom, and if I glue it directly to the pattern paper, it's just going to be loose. I'm making right now my card base is just white cardstock, and I'm adding this panel that is pink, that is the one that I decided from one of the colors of the other paper pattern, because the paper pattern have like a little crosses or X in different colors, and I choose this thing that it was similar of one of the X in the paper. I also add the paper, and the pin is going to work as a frame. I glue now my light aquamarine part, but this one I think I glue a little bit crooked, but it's okay. Nothing can be perfect, but it's okay. I finish adding with my alpaca. I glue my alpaca with liquid silicone glue. because it's fabric and it's very thick. Well, it's not that thick, but it's have like a lot of texture. I was afraid that with white glue it is not going to be very stick onto the paper. After that, I choose the same pink paper to do my sentiment. I stamp the sentiment that is come with the stamp set that is a baby is called outside, and I cut it with these fish tails. I don't know what they call. It's from MFT. It comes with the 63 something. I really don't remember. I bought it a long time ago. After that, I glue everything in the car. When I'm finished gluing this, I'm going to grab my jewels that I've been using a lot lately because I love them. I think they're the shiny that they give to the car. I just know I love the detail that give to the car, and I've been using them a lot. I think I need to buy more. I glue this, and I do a white stitching around the frame where the alpaca is with my gel white pen. This is it. This is my car. I hope you like it. Thank you for watching my videos. Until next car. Goodbye.